Hello, welcome. My name is JesseMcDesign. Today, we're going to be doing an abstract painting of this apple. Let's get started. Alright, so today we're going to be working on another painting. I'll pop the reference up here on screen, but you can kind of see it over here on the side. It's just a pretty simple apple, but we're going to be working on this smaller canvas because I kind of want to try something new. I'm thinking about doing like a really just heavy brush stroke, staying loose on this piece and just seeing what kind of happens. That's the plan, but debating on how that goes, I might just end up completely rendering this out like I've been and doing like a realistic, photorealistic depiction of this photo here and do that. But the plan is to keep it loose, and I just want to have that heavy brush stroke look, and I'm just gonna work how I normally do, which is back to front, and that'll really kind of tell me how the rest of the painting's gonna go. I should be able to knock it out super quick. It's like that nice blurry out of focus background with the main image being nice and crisp. So how that goes will tell me how the rest of it will go. So let's just get started and see what happens. Alright, so we got our first couple passes here. I'm pretty happy that there's just color on the canvas. Nothing's really coming through at all. But what I'm going to do now is it's starting to look pretty nice. I'm looking on the viewfinder, it actually looks kind of decent there. But what I'm going to do now is go in and try to make this background a little bit more out of focus and just bring in a couple more tones that I see in the reference that's not really here, and I think they'll make it pop a little bit nicer. And then we'll go in and really sharpen up this apple so the apple is the main focus and pops off the background. So let's get into another time lapse. Alright, so there you have it. I knew it would be a pretty quick video. It's small canvas, a pretty simple idea. It was just something I've never really dabbled in at all. It was just this weird, like kind of abstract, really heavy brush stroke kind of thing. You know, you can kind of see from afar, it looks pretty nice. And then when you get really nice up and close on it, you can see all those really chunky brush strokes. I think it came out great. It looks awesome from afar or close. I had a good time doing it. Maybe I'll try something else. Maybe I'll do something, you know, a little bit bigger, a little more exciting. Use some bigger brushes and really get some heavy brush strokes in there, you know, who knows. But if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. It really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm always over here doing some sort of fun creative thing, whether it be traditional art, painting, drawing, to furniture or home decor, who knows. Leave in the comments below what I should do next. See you on the next one.